Morning guys, welcome to our room tour. Let's give you some of the problems that's been going on. So let's go into the bathroom. As you can see, the tile's not fixed properly. The bucket door's all scratched. Handle don't fit properly. More up there hanging off. Bear in mind this is meant to be a 4-star resort. There's a big hole up there. Mould, holes. There's a grate top floor, which I'm not quite sure what that's for. I think it's sink leaks actually. There's things down there not even finished.
Have you got up there?
No, I'm going up this way now.
Around and do pictures on that.
That's all cracked there. This shower head doesn't work. You can't move it. And all water comes leaking out at the top there. There's all dirt in the corner. It's not been cleaned properly. I mean, there's just an hole there. That's the problem with bathrooms. On the other side of the door here, there's screws and stuff hanging out. This is meant to be the wardrobe. There's no shelving whatsoever. I've got a safe that you have to pay extra for and a blanket. There's marks on wall. We've got a bunk bed in our bedroom, and this is meant to be the deluxe, basically. We paid a lot extra because it's our honeymoon.
Yeah, you should do it outside with the air conditioning.
And there's just some scuff marks. That's not even attached to anything. Central heating, aircon don't really work as such. Balcony's just filthy. There's your aircon pipes, look, just into a drain there. Big old wall where that goes through. There's no light out here.
We spoke to the manager about it, didn't we?
All this here, not joined up properly, it's a mess. We speak to the manager when we arrived. She basically said it is what it is. It's not the room we paid for. We actually upgraded so we didn't have the bunk beds in, which to be honest, it's good you have the bunk beds are in because there's nowhere to put your clothes whatsoever.
No, there's no hanging space and there's no shelves.
There's hanging spaces, but you got 3 coat hangers.
Well, yeah.
As for it's meant to be all inclusive, only thing you can get is non-branded pulp, house wine,
local wine,
3 local wines, beer, raki, ouzo, and brandy. That's it. No cocktails, no other spirits. That's not included in your all-inclusive. You have to go to a beach bar, wherever that is on site. That, to me, that's not all-inclusive. That's not what they said it was gonna be.
no entertainment at the hotel.
There's no entertainment. There's still quite a few kids here. There's no kids clubs. There's no entertainment whatsoever.
The food's different.
The food is so repetitive, it's unreal. I mean, we've been here this is 7th day, we're leaving today. They've had spaghetti and bolognese on every single day. They've had the same bits of stuff on salad, same bits of stuff on main on main bits.
They don't accommodate for allergies.
Don't accommodate for allergies. You don't know what you're getting because there's little or no signs whatsoever telling you what it is. Only thing it tells you is that if it's pork, chicken, and that's it. Breakfast is very basic. It's same. It's the hot dogs.
Yeah.
Hot dogs. Ham. That I'm trying to pass off as bacon. So I would not recommend this hotel 100%, guys.
Stay clear.
I'd stay well clear. I mean, to be fair, our honeymoon, we've not let it ruin our holiday because what's the point? We went to complain, she said, you are upgraded because you are on the next floor up. Them slides there are not even part of this hotel. So I'm not sure why they're part of the next big hotel.
The description is deceiving.
The description is deceiving. I will say though, the maids are really good.
Yeah.
The pool area is really nice and clean. Got no complaints there whatsoever. Apart from them positives, it's not.
We've spent a lot of money on eating out.
Yeah, we've had to spend.
So if you're on a budget, you know, this hotel would be no good at all.
If you're on a budget and you're all inclusive, you don't bring much spending money. You're not going to enjoy it. We spend more money eating out than we have eating in because it's awful. It's very. I mean, all inclusive is repetitive, but to have the same stuff now for 7 days, it's just not good enough at all. We have put a complaint with TUI, and we've also put a complaint with Love Holidays. As for Crete itself, brilliant, lovely area. I'll definitely come back again. I'm not sure when we're able to fit it in, but a couple of years' time maybe. But we'll see. But yeah, Crete, the island's beautiful. The staff are all friendly around the bars. They all speak good English. All shops are decent prices. It's quite cheap. I mean, how much was that meal? First night, I had that massive meal, kebab for one.
Yeah, it's like 13.5 euros.
Yeah, about 35 euros, something stupid.
No, yours was 13.5.
Yeah, but the meat I want about in total, not individually.
It cost us, with drinks, it cost us about £32.
About £32 with 2 meals and we had 4 beers, didn't we? So that's not too bad. I mean, it's cheap enough to eat out, but when you pay for all inclusive, you really don't want to. So that's it from us for now, guys. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the holiday videos. We haven't done much, to be honest, but I hope you do enjoy what we're doing. So we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.